Are fire dampers necessary for my project? By Zulueta Architecture. As an architect, I regularly get asked if or when are dampers needed for a job. I thought it best to provide more information in a larger platform since I always get asked this question. The dampers play a role in code compliance. Architect Joanne Zulueta has over 20 years of experience in the industry. She is currently licensed in 5 provinces in Canada: Alberta, British Columbia, Manitoba, Ontario, and Saskatchewan. Shown here are my certificates over the years. My Alberta Association of Architects certificate on the left side, and on the center is also a certificate for my registration in Alberta, and my LEED accredited professional certificate on the right side, which I took quite a while now. About fire dampers. A damper is a mechanical device that stops or regulates the airflow. It's a valve or a plate that stops or controls airflow inside a duct. A fire damper is a mechanical device used in ducts to prevent the spread of fire inside the ductwork. There is a fusible link in the damper, and at 165 degrees Fahrenheit, the fire damper closes. The function of the damper is to stop the smoke and fire from spreading through the duct. Where to install fire dampers? If you have designed a fire-rated assembly, a floor, a wall, or a roof, and there is HVAC or a duct penetrating the fire-rated assembly, then you need a fire damper. If there is no fire damper, then you have an opening on a fire-rated assembly, and this means fire and smoke can spread very easily. This also means that your assembly is not code compliant. Fire damper locations. Examples of fire-rated rooms are a storage room, a utility room, and a janitor's room. So if you look at the image on the right side, I've got a fire-rated room, and there is a duct penetration through the wall. So identify the fire-rated wall as a dashed line, and there's a duct penetrating that wall. So where you have that penetration through the wall is where you install the fire damper. Fire dampers in the wall. Shown on this slide on the left side is an example of a fire damper that's installed in the wall. Fire damper in the floor. So fire dampers can also be located in a mezzanine or a fire-rated floor, which is normally an occupied floor. Shown on your right side is a fire damper that's located in between the ceiling and your actual floor. On the left side is a duct going through the floor, and so you will have your damper located at the floor assembly itself. Site review. So when you go for a site review, make sure that the fire damper is installed where you're showing them on your plans. It should be installed properly, meaning they should be sealed around the perimeter. And you should check whether there is a proper UL or ULC rating on the damper. In summary, fire dampers are installed to prevent smoke and fire in spreading through the ductwork. Fire dampers are located in fire-rated assemblies, in walls, in the floor, and in the roof or ceiling. When you go for a site review, check that the damper is installed properly. As closing, I hope that you gain knowledge from this session, and I hope that you didn't fall asleep. I would be doing some of these sessions which concentrate more on the building code and on the technical aspects of the industry, since this is what I am very experienced on. Anyway, feel free to contact me at info@zuluetaarchitecture.com. Take care and have a good day. Till next time.